Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Oh my gosh. Who had just ran upstairs, so I'm out of breath, but I cannot believe it's Tuesday and we are 3 days away for next month. What? All right, let's count. We have 50, 40, 20, another 20, and a 9. So 139 today to cash stuff. And can I say, oh my goodness, we are finally going to complete our rent envelope. Yay! You guys, so that means that we completed our rent and bill binder. What's it called? 3 days before next month. Oh, how exciting. By the way, I'm drinking my coffee. Oh, so delicious. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys had a lovely Monday. I'm so excited. It's Tuesday. So the kiddos are home. Dylan doesn't go to school because he's 3. But Eric is home. You guys, he is sick. They called us yesterday. He almost made it throughout the whole day, but we didn't know that he was sick. So they called us literally like an hour before we picked him up from school, like after school. And they called us that his head was hurting and that they took his temperature and he has fever. So, and then they were like, he can't go back to school until like Wednesday. And we're like, okay. So right now he's resting. He got fever again, but he's good to go. He has taken all the medicines. He also has cough at the same time, you guys, which is crazy. But I hope he gets better. But I'm so excited to finally finish my rent bill binder envelope. All right, guys. So we need $60 to complete the rent binder here. And I am so excited. So let's add 50 and let's add a 10. So we have, let's add it up here. 50s, 70, 90, 110. Okay. 100. 100. 100. And 90. So, woohoo! Yay! $500 complete. Oh, makes me so happy. I was so scared I was not gonna finish, I'll be honest with you. But I'm so excited that I was able to finish. So happy. Okay, my envelopes are new, so they're a little bit hard to get into because I just did them. They will be available on my Etsy shop for you to get any envelopes if you want any Easter envelope. They're Easter/spring because they got some spring flowers in there. I think it's so adorable. So I'll be letting you guys know when they will be available, but they will definitely be available soon. But look how cute. Do you like them? I think they're so adorable. I hope you're able to see them. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so cute. I love it. But yeah, so yay, so happy for that. Awesome. And by the way, guys, I will put my updated watch hours right here on the screen. So if you can please play any of my playlists, I will appreciate it so much. I'm excited. We're doing good. We're doing good so far, so good. Okay, let's go ahead and get our purple binder. Woo-wee. Okay, let's see how much we can stuff on this one. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, hopefully they all get a little bit of love. Hold on, trying to stretch them. Okay. All right, let's do the Hello Kitty one. Hello Kitty is gonna get $15 because that's the highest, and I'm trying to work my way back. So from the back to the front. So $15 on that. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. But before I go ahead and do that, let me actually oh, nice. Look at this. So 10 and a 20. Ooh, let's get a 20. Okay. All right, let me go to my priority because I keep forgetting every time I do it. So let's actually go ahead and go to my priority, which I need to cash stuff $900 on that one, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. And this is just for my renewals, some renewal stuff that I have to do. And yeah, okay, so this one was half. I believe half is a 37 and a 38 of 75. 37 plus 38, yeah. So I need to do 38 on this one. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 38. So yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Yay, you guys. Oh my goodness. So excited. We have completed 2 now. It will take me a little bit longer than usual, but that's okay. We are low income, so we are trying our best to complete as much as we can. Look how exciting is this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I know usually people do get scared for higher numbers. I was one of them. I won't say no. I really was one of them. But I feel like you can make it work. You can make it happen. So that's exciting. Okay, so yay, I got that out the way because that's my main priority. Because I need to have that completed in like probably 4 to 5 months. So I'm excited on that. Okay, next. All right, we have the Winnie the Pooh scratch off challenge on my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, we're going to work our way down. Okay, so from the top to the bottom. All right, this one is $10. Oh my goodness, $10. I don't remember how much this one will save me, I'll be honest with you. I think this one is a mystery. This one is a mystery. So, hey, we're getting big numbers, so that's good. I don't think there's anything bigger than 10, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so don't get scared. Don't get too scared, okay? All right, there's that. Okay, we don't have much to work ourselves with this time, so I might not do much, but let me add at least a 5 in this one. Why not? Okay, let's add a 5. This one will save me $200. It is a bigger numbers, but you know, little by little, so we don't give up. Okay. Okay, awesome. And then the next envelope that I have, you guys, is gonna be my little envelope for my dermatologist. Is it the I don't know how to say it, but anyways, I need to call and see how much it is so I can do that. Okay, awesome sauce. I'm gonna skip Happy Mail Fun. Should I do this one? Yeah, I think I have enough, so let's see. Let's do this scratch off, you guys. I'm scared. Okay, let's see how much we can do. We have 3 left, and then with this one we should have 2 left. Yes, this is a 2. Oh my gosh, should we go? Should we do it? Should we do it? Okay, that's a 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 left. Ooh, that's a little bit hard. Should we do it? Should we do it? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, let's hope. Let's hope. Finger crossed. Oh no! See, this is what always happens. Oh my goodness. It's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have an IOU of of $2. Oh, okay. It's okay. $2 IOU. I don't know where my IOU slips is at because I haven't had an IOU in forever. So, oh my goodness, what do I do now? Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know where my IOU is at for real. I really don't know. That's not good. Okay. Oh well. But just so you know, we do have an IOU. Oh yeah, I don't know where it's at. Yeah, I have no idea where my IOUs are at. I should create a new IOU because I forgot. So anyways, we do know that we have a $2 IOU. So maybe next time we put that $2 and next time we'll be done with this one. So yay. Okay guys, that's about it. We're done. That's how quick money goes. All right. Oh, my coffee. Let me not forget my coffee's going to get cold. Oh my goodness. Still warm. Okay. So I see you guys tomorrow for Freaky Wednesday. Yes, Freaky Wednesday, girlfriends. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everybody that likes, that comments, that shares my video, anything, even just watching and not commenting. Like, literally, thank you, because you are showing me love with those watch hours. I'm so excited. So I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love you.